Hi, Jake with Diode. Today in the studio we're going to be taking a look at our light bar kit for the 2018 and up Jeep JL Wrangler. This light bar kit not only gives you dramatically increased light output, but gives your Jeep a cool, unique look on the road or trail. Now, from the factory, there's not a lot of options for mounting auxiliary lighting, but our engineers have come up with a unique design that wraps around the factory bumper supports to allow for a clean, simple installation that requires no drilling or modification. The light bar will sit just above the factory tow hooks and also comes with optional extensions if you were to want to add a secondary light bar or give yourself extra clearance for a winch or recovery rope.
Wiring only takes a few minutes using the included auxiliary wiring harness that we designed specifically for the JL Wrangler. If you don't have the factory switch bank, wiring still only takes a few minutes. You'll just use one of our standard relay harnesses.
For more information on this kit and more, visit diodedynamics.com or use the dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.